Most lawyers, even fancy, top-notch, prestigious lawyers, fail to tell people that there is a better way to get divorced than through family court. And most lawyers just march through the process without even talking about the better option with clients. I had this happen earlier this week where I was talking to somebody and she wanted a second opinion, and they've got a complicated divorce. Long-term marriage, complex issues regarding money. They make a lot of money. There's businesses involved. They have 4 kids, and there's complicated issues surrounding parenting that are involved. And there's privacy concerns. Like, there's sensitive issues within their marriage that could really hurt their family. And those sensitive issues, those types of problematic behavior certainly are contributing to the divorce. But if they go through family court, all of this becomes public, and it could completely take down one or both of their businesses. Dad's involved in some pretty questionable behavior, and mom right now has the kids most of the time. But she filed for temporary orders to go to court to get an order for temporary custody, and it's very likely that even with the problematic behaviors that are so sensitive, dad may end up with 50-50 parenting time. And it's a terrible, terrible idea. Rich and famous people know that this is a bad idea, and they handle it privately. They get private judges, they get private mediators, and they work together to keep things private, and they focus on process. So I recommend that any couple that has complicated issues that can afford to work things out in an alternative process, do it that way. That means I wouldn't engage in collaborative law per se, like these strict terms, but you can decide and focus on process. Okay, we have these very, very complicated issues regarding money. Instead of talking about who gets what or what's valued at, we can talk about what's the process we're going to take to get it valued. We're going to both interview people and make sure that we find somebody that we trust to come up with a value. We're going to agree on the following assumptions, which are critical and impact the value. Like, break the case down into wherever it is that I can start getting agreements. Even if the agreement is, we need XYZ evaluation, or we're going to exchange information by XYZ date.